Cell Academy, Goa's best institute for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 8 to 12th. State topper for NEET, JEE, BITSAT 2024 are produced by Cell Academy. Admissions are now open for class 8 to 12th at our study centers in Margao, Vasco and Prudent. Book your seat today. Limited seats available.
Here, no, from 2021 or so, the notification card. And 2023 was the last notification where there were more rivers which were added to the monsoon water sports. And these water sports is only during the monsoons, during the fair days of the monsoons. Okay, so only during that time they were supposed to do the water sports. This is why, because it was a growing demand, of the tourists which are coming to Goa. And दूसरे मुझे budget speech. During that time in 2016-17, it was put up to have this monsoon water sports. So based on that, they have made this took out this notification. But now recently of late we received a complaint from the fishing community. Theirs also is correct. During the monsoons, fish catch is affected. They are affected. Their livelihood is affected. Our notification said if there was some objection, then we will see what is to be done. So in this, because the designated places were not demarcated, okay, so that's why I have just rescinded previous notification as of now. So we will see once the designated areas are marked, then we will see how to the government will decide. This is all based on the government's approval that I have rescinded the notification.